Hey guys! I recently tried the Lost generator, and I have to say, it's an absolute game changer. If you've ever wanted to make your own electricity generator, this is your chance, and it's way easier than I expected. At first, I thought it would be complicated, but honestly, the instructions are so simple and easy to follow. You can get all the materials at your local hardware store, and in just one weekend, I built my own generator. It's powered by thermal energy, which feels so cool and old school, yet so relevant today. What I love most is how practical it is. It's not going to power your whole home, but it's perfect for small essentials like charging phones or running small appliances during a power outage. Plus, for just $49, you get everything you need, and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free. Building it was honestly so satisfying. It's hands-on and gives you a real understanding of how energy works. I feel so empowered knowing I can generate my own power. If you're into DIY projects or looking for a backup power solution, the Lost generator is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.